Yes. So today we are going to start our S3 versioning. So last time what we did, we have created a bucket, right? So
Uh-huh.
many buckets we have created. If you want to create the bucket again, just we have the unique name we have to give. So I'm giving Excel file uh, storage backup underscore backup. So you can't give the underscore here, so give backup. So here you have to select the region. So now which region you want to select, where you want to keep your data.
Uh-huh.
So always you have to select this particular region according to your, from where your user or you will access these files. If
Yeah.
I'm from India, so I will means I should use the Mumbai, Singapore nearby,
Okay.
Tokyo. So if I'm in the US, then I should use the US one. So what I will
Mm-hmm.
do, I just try to use according to your US East.
I'm actually, you can select India. I have another PC. I opened my console over there. I'll select US. So parallel, it will be a practice for me when you're
Yes.
doing.
Okay. So click next. So what's the means right now you want to configure something, versioning, logging, tagging. If something yes, you can just enable this save. Okay.
Okay.
So
Enable
you want to,
versioning save.
yes.
Okay.
Next. So user permission, if you want to allow some manage users, what the access you want to give. Right now I have only the full access, right?
Mm-hmm.
So manage,
Mm-hmm.
you want to group. So right now don't give anything, and just according to means your requirement you can give the permission.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
publicly permission is also denied here. So I have created here this particular bucket, extra file
Okay.
storage backup. If I
Mm-hmm.
click over here, there is no files into this bucket, but versioning is enabled because that's the reason it is showing deleted objects. It can ask you uh, if this is not there, this particular option will not come. If I click
Okay.
here, let's see storage 3, see that option is not here, because if you go into management, versioning will be
Enabled.
not enabled.
Not enabled here. If it is enabled, then you'll have the deleted objects.
Yes, this is disabled versioning. So if
Mm.
it is you want to see means enabled, then only this deleted objects will come.
Mm.
Okay, so I think this thing we did. Okay, no problem. We will start once again. So I will just click on add files. So what I'm going to do, I'm just put some my log files here.
Mm-hmm.
Logs. So let's see, it's small one only. Let's see, I'm keeping some 10-15 files open here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, one is the 7.7 MB. That is wrong one. Actually, I should not be upload this one. Uh,
Cancel. One. Oh.
I have to cancel once again, upload, add files. Don't worry, this time I will see the size. Okay, I will only just 2 KB files I'm going to upload. Okay,
2
so
KB? Okay.
see, it's 2 KB files, notepad files, right? So I'm
Okay.
uploading.
That's I mean, we can add how much of size we want, right?
Yeah. It will take time also, and it will be definitely every bytes you have to pay something to Amazon.
Oh, but this is free, right? Free account, right?
Yeah, this is a free account, but I want to use this account till our course. Okay.
Ah, okay.
So now 18 files we have uploaded here.
So, one question. So, this
Yeah.
is a free tier, right? It
Yeah.
says 1 year, right?
Yeah, it's 1 year, but it is not completely free. It is some
Okay.
dollars they are giving you. So if you go into this one, the winter, and go to my billing dashboard,
Mm-hmm.
that's the reason I'm saying that always shut down your VMs, because if you are not shut down your VMs, it will spend the money from there.
Mm.
So this is your this one everyday what you are using bill.
Okay.
Okay.
So, mine is 0 so far.
Yeah, it is means it is some 0.01 USD for me. So
Oh,
if I will go this build details more, so it will give you all these details. So I'm forgot how much they have means how much they have given us. I think 700 three. I am not sure how much dollars they have given us.
mm-hmm.
So you can create your budget itself here. Ki how much budget you have, so it will not go beyond that one.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
So
so
for me, so far, I
zero.
have just one VM, but it is down. It's
So
showing
that's the reason
zero.
it's not showing you. So anything right now. So
If
it's
I
good.
say, for example, I have some files which are like 100 KB plus.
So
So
it's
if I
very
upload
minimum.
them,
It's
it'll
very
charge
minimum.
me.
Yeah, it's very minimum, but definitely it will charge you for that particular storage.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have added a couple of files here. So first thing we have to see about the versioning. Let's see, I am going to delete couple of files. So let's see, I am deleting these two files. So delete. Yes, these two files. Yes, I want to delete it. So now thing is, if I go to the deleted objects, it will be here, right?
Okay.
So you understood this one?
Yeah.
Okay, so now if I want to redo or I want these files again, I can
Mm.
just click here and we can download, or we can go to more and undo delete, so it will go
Okay.
back. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so if if you want to upload more files, you can. Firstly, I will just go this file and going right click, undo delete. It will move from here and go back to the our older same folder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what I
Mm-hmm.
will do here, I have to rename. I want to rename here just file A. Okay, so another file. So now it is easy for you. If I'm going to delete this one, or means okay, so one option is this one. Now everything is right now on the standard,
Mm-hmm.
so which is the costlier one for us.
Yeah.
So what I want to do, I want to move everything from here to my you can say little cheaper storage, that is called the change storage class.
Mm-hmm.
So now you have the last time we have discussed about the
Yeah.
three
Standard
different.
IA,
Yes.
standard reduced redundancy.
So I'm using the last one, which is the cheaper one, reduce the redundancy. But we are saying the files which moved on the reduce the redundancy, that should be you can say reproducible.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, your data will be gone anytime. Moving, change.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So all this storage changed, right?
Okay.
1 to 70.
Yep.
So now the next option is for us. Once this is done, you have changed the storage. If you want to change only one particular, then you can also do with this same. Let's say you want to move this particular onto IA, that also you can do.
Okay.
So now it's only one is standard IA. Okay, and
Okay.
next is okay. So we have already enabled on this one versioning here. So now next is we are going to create here lifecycle policy.
Okay.
So what is the lifecycle policy? It's when your data will move, delete to somewhere else.
Mm-hmm.
So how we are creating? We are creating a add lifecycle policy here. Firstly, before that, well, I want to do. I want to move all my this in a folder. I'm just creating a folder here. A B C. Let's see. Save. Only other I want to move my files. There is no move, cut only. Okay, then I will cut. Come here, paste. See, all the files came here, right? So if I directly come on the bucket, so there is only one folder, right?
Yeah.
So if you see here in this particular folder, it is not showing you anything size, class storage, because that is showing into the files. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a lifecycle policy for my bucket. So
Okay.
what is the rule for my folder? So what is the folder name? So here enter a rule name. You can say backup. This is your rule name. So add filter to the limit scope to the tag, means you have to something prefix you want to give, case sensitive, type in a prefix name or tag key name, anything you can give here, otherwise leave it empty also. Now you want to on current version or previous versions. Current version you can say so here you can if you click here, standard IE has 30 days minimum retention period and a 128 KB minimum object storage if you want to configure on standard IA. So I want to move my current versions. So previous version is older versioning is if it is there. So current version I have given this one, or if you want to move on both, then you can click on both, current and previous. For current, what you want to set your transition policy, you can mention here. What? Transition to standard IA or transition to Amazon Glacier. So I'm saying transition to Amazon Glacier after 1 day.
Okay.
After creating of 1 day these files, it should be days after object created, move into the Amazon Glacier.
Okay.
Same way I am saying here previous version, if it is something previous version is there, that is also moved to Glacier in a 1 day. Next. Now configure expiration. So when it should be expire your current version. So after how many days these files should be clean up. Your delete. Okay. Expire current version of the object. You can say, let's say it's about to your 1 year policy, 30 days policy, 10 days policy. Let's say I'm giving here 10 days. After 10 days, it should be on the current version, whatever is there. It should be immediately removed. Expire.
Okay.
Now you have the cleanup expired object, delete markers and incomplete multi-part uploads if you want to do cleanup.
Okay.
So I want to clean up incomplete multi-part uploads if there is anything is there after 30 days. So you can set these policies according to your requirement.
Okay.
So I'm just saving this one. Now you can see.
Okay.
Yes, this particular lifecycle rule is there, rule name backup. So what it is, Amazon transition to previous versions, Amazon Glacier, transit to current version, Amazon Glacier and expire. That is, if you want to change anything here, you can just select, edit, and again you can, whatever you want to do, you can change it.
Okay.
So right now, means you have to wait for 1 day. Let me try if I can move it immediately. Let's see after 0 day. 0 day means once it's created, it will move to Glacier systems. Let me try if it will. Let me upload a couple of more files. So I uploaded 3 more files. It should be 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So it came here. So see, this is on standard IA, 2, 3 are new are standard, others are RR. Okay. So now this policy which we have defined, that is for complete bucket, not only any particular you can say any particular folder or somewhere. Okay. So it should move after, otherwise we have to see tomorrow. So it should move there. So previous versions, you can say if you have this deleted objects. So no delete markers in this bucket. There is nothing. All are there. See, this is the latest version. If you want to see this one. Wait a minute, one thing I just see here. This public link should not work. Okay. Okay, so these are the regarding bucket only. So this versioning done. Or life cycle, you can create the life cycle policy management.
Okay.
Create a new rule. If you want to create another another rule, okay, in the same bucket, you can do that. So here it is mentioned to whole bucket. Let's try create a new rule. Let's see, I'm saying, and this rule is backup 2. That is only tag prefix is a slash.
Oh, that is how you have to give the prefix. Okay.
Yes. I don't want to expire some expiration here. So it is prefix a. So here it is for whole bucket, but it is, I don't think so it will work out properly, because when I have to give prefix, it should be something which is don't include the bucket name in the prefix, tag or case sensitive. Okay, I have to give that something tagging I have to do onto the this one. Wait a minute.
Yeah, for versioning you need a tag. I mean, you have to give a proper name.
Yes.
Something like practice or with a date.
That's only I'm thinking about. If I'm clicking here tag, key is test.
Yeah, I'm able to create.
Abhi, just hold a second. I have a call. Just hold a second.
Okay. All right.
हाँ राहुल. हाँ यार अभी भी बस आधे घंटे में हो जाऊंगा मैं. हाँ ठीक है, मैं करता हूँ. ओके. हाँ अभी तो so we can create a value here, because I normally don't use this one. Wait a minute. One tags. Okay, I will see this one tagging, so we can finish our other things. Tomorrow I will show you that how we can use the tagging here. So this is versioning and lifecycle policies. You can create like this, and then it will automatically move your complete bucket onto the backup storage whenever you want. You want after 30 days, you want after 10 days, you want means whenever you want, it will move to your costlier storage to cheaper storage, from standard to standard IA or standard or glacier. It will help you. Then another thing is, after this one, you can keep some expiration policy when it should be permanently deleted from glacier or anyone. So that also you can manage from with this particular this lifecycle policy. So where it will use actually you can say best practice, or you can say which industry can use most these things. So one of the things you can say hospital industry, where they have the older data of patients from 1 year, older than 1 year, their scan reports, x-ray reports, other things, they can move on glacier and delete after 6 months or after 1 year. So that is the one
Okay.
of the example you can take. In each organization, there is always let's see some of the data which they can delete after couple of years. Some has the 1 year, 2 year, 5 years also. People are retaining their data,
Mm-hmm.
especially the financial banking sector. Even banking sector has more than 10 to 15 years older data. So if
Okay.
that user exists or not exist, right? So let's say they are closing the account today, still they will keep that particular information a long time.
Mm.
So every bank has their own retention policy. So same way, whenever you are keeping the data, it's up to your particular client retention policy. You have to discuss with him about what is their retention policy for their static data, where
Okay.
like it is PDF files, it can be normal files, or it can be PNG images, video, whatever. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
that is.
Okay.
So now the next is in the S3, one of the option which we have did last time, that is AWS S3, which we have given the role. If you are aware, we have created a role for a particular IAM user, and that IAM user can means that particular instance can has the access for yeah, I will show you, that has the access to particular AWS that particular feature. So how
Mm-hmm.
we did, now let's see, let me show you if instances are there or I have deleted. Wait a minute. Okay, so all are stopped. So let me check which instance is already we have. Edit tagging, I am attach role. Okay, there is no role. Okay, so you can ECC storage. Wait a minute, we have to firstly see the roles that we have did last time with the roles. Now we will
Mm.
do another way. So within your keys, I'm just okay, there is only one role is here. So it, when this particular role has two things, two policies are attached, S3 full access or EC2 full access.
Mm-hmm.
So if you log into this EC2, this particular instance, let's see, yes, I'm giving the role here, instance setting. So no role, I'm adding this role, apply. So close, start the instance, start. So now let's see what happened.
So for this, you have given IAM full access and Amazon EC2 full access, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what was the role name given here?
Here?
Yeah.
Here, wait a minute. In this one, so if we have given two roles, he can see the EC2 instance, he can see the S3 role. Two roles I have given. So
Okay. What's the role name? Two roles. I
S3
mean.
storage, that is you can customize by yourself.
Okay.
So firstly I have to, because that, okay, I have to download these keys. These keys are on my other laptop.
Oh.
Okay, so now what I have to do, that keys are not with me. Okay, let me try. I think I can copy there, I have to save it. Okay, let me try first. I have to just quickly copy from my other laptop. I have to see the IP address. I have to Start and see the IP address if config. That is 192.0.141. You can see my screen? Full screen?
No.
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 Okay, well, let me share my full screen. So what I'm doing, I'm just trying to ping 198.1.
It's working.
Yes. Ping 192.168.0.141. Pinging, yes. I can copy now. Copy admin at the rate 192.168.0.141 colon slash. That I have to see. Slash users slash admin slash downloads slash what key he told about AWA keys. AWA keys dot key star. Okay, let's see if dot pem.txt. I'm just downloading here itself. Let me check. No SCP. Oh my god. It's not allowing me. So what I have to do? Okay, I think we can. Another option is I can create these keys again. It's a little difficult. Just hold a minute. Telnet port is not connecting. We can try this command now. Permission denied. Okay, I'm sorry, yaar. No, I think it will not work this way.
Yeah. So evening, today evening you're available. I mean, to my evening.
Your evening by yes, I'm available. Tomorrow morning also I'm available.
Yeah. So
Okay,
my evening
this will finish
9:30.
Yeah, no, 9:30. Your 9:30 means
Yours 7:30, 7 o'clock. Yeah,
yeah,
7 o'clock.
that's fine for me.
That works. Yeah,
Yeah.
then let's have a session at 9:30 then.
Yeah, sure. We will finish this thing at that time.
Yeah. Okay, because I have to get ready for this. I have
Yeah,
another.
definitely. Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Take care.
All right.
Bye.
Thanks.